Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan salam sejahtera. Okay, so today's video we do exercise for solution of triangle. Okay, so first question. So given the sides of the triangle CDE are 3x, 6x and 5x, if the area of the triangle is 8 square root 5 cm square, so find the length of each side using Heron's formula. Okay, so Heron's formula. So sekarang ni dia bagi tahu side dia semua adalah 3x dalam bentuk x. Okay, so C, D, E. Here 3x, 6x and 5x. Okay, so using Heron's formula, so first you need to find the value of s. So s is equal to 1 over 2 A plus B plus C. Okay, so the total length of each side untuk semua sekali. Okay, so jumlah panjang setiap sisi, which is 3x plus 5x plus 6x. Okay, so to 1 over 2, 3x plus 5x, 8x, 8 plus 6, 14x. Okay, so 1 over 2 times by 14x, we have 7x. And then by using Heron's formula, so we have the area of triangle CDE, which is equal to square root s minus a times by s minus b times by s minus c. Okay. After that, substitute. So substitute the area of triangle CE. Okay, so already given, right? So 3 square root 5. So substitute 8 square root 5. After that, square root s. So we have s, which is 7x. So substitute s with 7x. So here also 7x minus a. So a is 3x. And then s 7x minus b, so b is 6x. Tak kisahlah mana satu korang nak letak. So this one, let's say a, b and c. Okay, so b is 6x. And then s minus c, so c is 5x. Okay, so then 8 square root 5, which is equal to square root of 7x times by 7x minus 3x, 4x, and then 7x minus 6x is x, and 7x minus 5x is 2x. Okay, after that, so this one is square root, bring to the left. Okay, so square root ni untuk semua sekali, so korang boleh pindah pergi ke kiri. Okay, so korang tak boleh pindah yang square root ni. Square root ni hanya pada 5, dia bukan pada semua sekali. So korang tak boleh pindah square root ni. So first kali, lagi satu nak faham pindah ni, so korang kena faham benda yang korang nak pindah tu adalah untuk semua. So, kalau bukan untuk semua, so tak boleh pindah dulu. Okay, so this one 7 square root. So square root this one is for all of this one, so you can bring to the left. So you will have 8 square root 5 power of 2. Okay, so punca kuasa 2 pindah sebelah jadi kuasa 2. So here left only 7x. Okay, so this one you can multiply. Boleh darabkan sebenarnya 7x times 4x times x and times 2x. Boleh darabkan sekali. Okay, so 7 times by 4, which is 28, right? So 7 times by 4 and then times by 1 times by 2, so which is 56. Okay, so 56 and then x times x times x times x, so we have x power of 4. Okay, so this one 8 power of 2, 64, and then square root 5 power of 2 is 5, which is equal to 56 x power of 4. So then you have 56 x power of 4, which is equal to 64 times by 5, so which is 320. And then x power of 4 is equal to 320. So this one 320 divided by 56. Okay, so you will have 40 over 7. Okay, and then x. So x is equal to 4 root of 40 over 7. So which is equal to 1.55. Okay, so 1.55. Okay, so ni adalah x. Okay, so after that, question need to find the length of each side. Okay, so cari panjang untuk setiap sisi. So first we have 3x. So 3x to 3 times 1.55. Okay, so which is equal to 4.65. Okay, so 4.65 cm. And then next is 6x. So 6 times 1.55. Okay, so it is equal to 9.3. And last one we have 5x. Okay, so 5 times 1.55. So which is equal to 7.75 cm. Okay, so dah siap. Okay, so next question. Figure shows a triangle ABC with length of side AB 7 cm. So AB 7 cm. And then BC is 12 cm. And angle CAB. So CAB, which is 58. So CAB. So 58 here. So find the angle of ACB. So find the angle of ACB. So ACB. Okay, so this one A. So ACB. So we need to find angle at C. Okay, so seterusnya next. Okay, so kita kena detect. So we need to use sine rule or cosine rule. Okay, so we need to find the angle at C. And the angle at C here, there is a pair here, opposite side, which is 7 cm. So korang boleh draw macam ni. And then another info, we have angle at A and the length of BC. Okay, so dia punya pair, kita buat. So now we have cross. Okay, so bila kita ada cross, so we use sine rule. Okay, so from sine rule, so 7 over sine angle at C is equal to 12 over sine angle at A, which is 58. And then we need to solve C. So do cross multiplication. So we have 7 sine 58 is equal to 12 sine C. So this 12 bring to the left. So we have sine C, which is equal to 7 sine 58 divided by 12. Okay, so this one, it is equal to, okay, so 0.4947. And then C, it is equal to inverse sine of 0.4947. So it is equal to, okay, so it is equal to 29.65. Okay, so 29.65 degree. Okay, so and then the area of triangle ABC. Okay, so kalau tak nampak dekat conteng-conteng ni, saya buat lagi sekali. Okay, so I will draw the triangle again. Okay, so we have here A, B, C. Here 7 cm and here 12 cm. So we have here the angle 58 and here which is 29.65. Okay. Okay, so for the area of triangle ABC. Okay, so we use 1 over 2 side. So side A and side B, and sine one angle, sine C. Okay. saya confuse lah ABC ni. Okay, so kalau confuse ABC, saya guna benda lain. Okay, so satu side S1 and second side S2 sin angle. Okay, so kita perlukan dua side dengan satu angle. Okay, so angle ni dia tidak bertentangan dengan mana-mana side. Okay, so angle ni angle yang lain lah, so tak bertentangan dengan S1 dan S2. So let's say S1, S2, I choose 7 and 12. Okay, so 7 and 12. Okay, so the angle that I need to use is here. Okay, so saya tak boleh nak pakai angle 58 dengan 29.68 kerana 29.65 ni bertentangan dengan 7, 58 ni bertentangan dengan 12. So I need to use angle at B. Okay, so therefore first we need to find the angle at B. So angle ABC, so it is equal to 180 minus by 58 minus by 29.65. Okay, sebab kita dah ada dua angle. Yang lagi satu ni kita gunakan konsep total angle for triangle is 180. Okay, so 180 minus 58 minus 29.65, so it is equal to 92.35. Okay, and then substitute the information. So 1 over 2. So first side I use 7, second side I use 12, and then the angle sin 92.35. Okay, so it is equal to 41.96 cm square. Okay, so next question. So figure shows a triangle ABD. So ABD with length AB 10.08 cm, AD 9.43, angle ACB which is 100, and angle ADC which is 55, and angle BAC which is 20. Find the length of side BC. So nak cari side BC yang ni. Okay, so draw kat sini. Ni yang kita tak tahu. And then the pair for this side BC is 20. Kita ada pair dia. And then another one, we have the pair 10.08 and 110. So therefore we have cross. So we have cross. So to find the length of side BC, so we use sine rule. Okay, so kita guna hukum sine. Okay, so for A, so length BC divide by sine of the angle which is opposite with BC, so sine 20 is equal to length AB 10.08 divided by sine of the angle which is opposite to 10.08, so sine 110. Okay, so BC is equal to 10.08 divided by sine 110 times by sine 20. So we have BC which is equal to, okay, so 3.669 cm. And then the area of triangle ABD. So ABD. Okay, so for the area of the triangle ABD, okay, so we have the side this one and the side here. Okay, so we already have two sides. Okay, so because area of the triangle ABD we calculate by using 1 over 2. Okay, so one side and then second side sine the angle which is not opposite to side 1 and side 2. Okay, so angle ni yang tidak bertentangan dengan S1 dan S2. So yang tidak bertentangan dekat A. So hari itu pun saya dah lukiskan macam mana bentuk dia. So kalau kita pilih side yang ni, So we need to use this angle. So dia akan membentuk A. Okay, so but for this angle at A, so we only have a 20 degree. Okay, so kita ada 20 darjah sahaja. Sebelah sini tak ada. Okay, so what the value of this angle? Okay, so first you need to look at this triangle ACD. Okay, so this triangle is isosceles triangle. Okay, so segitiga sama kaki. So bila segitiga sama kaki, when here is 55, here also is 55. Okay, so dia sama. Sini 55, sini pun 55. So therefore the angle of BAD is 20 plus 55. So therefore you can find the area of the triangle ABD, which is equal to 1 over 2. Okay, so first side that you choose is 10.08, and then second side 9.43, and then the angle which is not opposite to 10.08 and 9.43, so which is 20 plus 55. Okay, then put bracket. Okay, so after that calculate by using calculator. So you have the area of the triangle ABD. Okay, so which is equal to 45.91. Okay, so 45.91 centimeter square. Okay. Okay, so another question. So bila nampak macam ni 6P, 5P, 7P, dia ada 3 sisi ni, lepas tu dia ada PP. Kita dah boleh agak dah, dia akan pakai Heron's formula. Okay, so hint pun dia dah bagi tahu, use Heron's formula. Okay, so figure shows triangle ABD. Okay, so with this info 5P, 6P and 7P. So find the value of P. Okay, so cari nilai untuk P, and given the area of triangle is 81. Okay, so using Heron's formula, so first we need to find the value of S. So S is equal to 1 over 2. Okay, so and times by total of the side of the triangle. Okay, so total of the length of the side of the triangle. So hasil tambah panjang setiap sisi, which is 7P plus 5P plus 6P. So which is equal to 1 over 2. So 7P plus 5 plus 6, 11, 18P. Okay, so 1 over 2 times by 18. So we have 9P. And then substitute into the formula. So for the Heron's formula, area of triangle ABC is equal to square root of S in bracket S minus A in bracket S minus B and in bracket S minus C. Okay, so area of triangle ABC already given, which is 81. So it is equal to square root S, which is 9P, and then here S also 9P minus by A. So A, you choose any one. So let's say this one A, here B and here C. Okay, so A is 9P, and then S 9P minus by B, B is 6P, and then S 9P minus C, which is 7P. Okay, and then calculate. Okay, so this square root for all of this value. Okay, so square root ni untuk semua sekali. So therefore you can bring this square root to the left. So 81 power of 2, which is equal to 9P. Okay, so 9P minus 5P, 4P, and then 9P minus 6P, 3P, and then 9P minus 7P, which is 2P. Okay, so 81 power of 2, which is equal to 6,561. And then 9P times by 4P times by 3P times by 2P. So it is equal to 216 P power of 4. P power times P times P times P become P power of 4. So we have p power of 4 which is equal to 6561 divided by 216. Okay, so 6561 divided by 216. Okay, so which is equal to 30.375. Okay, so this one power of p power of 4, 30.375. And then p, so p it is equal to 4 root of 30.375, which is equal to 2.34. Okay, so dapatlah P 2.348. And then B, the perimeter of the triangle. Okay, so perimeter, so it is equal to total of each side, which is 5P plus 6P and then plus by 7P. Betul tak? 5, 6, 7. Okay, so 5, 6, 7. Okay. And then total up, so 5P plus 6P plus 7P. So which is 5, 6, 11, 18P. And then substitute value of P. So we have 18 times by 2, 3, 4, 8. Okay, so 18 times by 2.348. So which is equal to 42.264 centimeter. And then next question. So figure below shows a triangle ABD. So ABD with length AC 5 cm. So AC 5 cm, BC 8 cm, CD 6 cm, and angle ACD which is 110. So find the length of AB. So nak cari panjang AB. So this one. Okay, so here, what is it here? Okay, so macam mana nak cari? So here 8 and here 5. Okay, so there is no angle, but here you can find angle here, which is 180 minus by 110. So which is 90 degree. Okay, so 90 darjah ya. 180 minus 110, which is 70 degree. Okay, so gambar darjah ni agak pelik sikit. So actually this one kita nampak lebih daripada 90 darjah. This one less than 90 degree, but here 110. Macam mana soalan ni? Okay, so saya ambil soalan daripada buku ni. Okay, tak apalah, biarlah. Okay, so kita buatlah as usual. Okay, so how to find this length of AB? So this length, the opposite angle is 70. So we have this. Okay, the info, another info we have here is 5 and 8. So dia akan membentuk satu macam anak panah. Okay, so here is 70 and here tak tahu, so kita kena cari. And then the info here is 8 and here 5. Okay. So dia jadi macam ni. So when you have this shape, okay, so bentuk macam ni, so you need to use cosine rule. Okay, so for the cosine rule, okay, so we have a square, it is equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc cos A. Okay, so yang kat depan ni, so angle A, this one must be opposite with the side A. Okay, so kita ada 70 and the length of AB. Okay, so yang depan ni yang kita tak tahu ni lah, so become AB square. So this equal to B and C. So two side. Okay, so yang ni dua sisi, yang lainnya which is 8 and 5. So 8 square plus 5 square minus by 2 BC. So 8 times by cos angle A. So angle A 70. Okay, so we have here. Okay, so it is equal to 61.64. And then AB is equal to square root of 61.64. So it is equal to 7.85. Okay. And then B, find the area of the triangle ABD. So yang besar sekali lah. Okay, so keluarkan, kita lukis, try lukis. So here A, B, D. Okay, so we have the side here which is 7.85 and the side BD which is 8 plus 6 which is 14. Okay, and then okay, so to find the area, so we need two sides. So we already have two sides here, 7.85 and 14. And we need one angle here. So but we don't have angle here. Okay, so kita kena cari dekat sini. So berbalik pada segitiga ABC pula. Okay, so saya lukis semula ABC. So here A, B, and then C. Okay, so A, B, C. So here is 70, and here already we have 7.85 and here 5 cm. Dan dekat bawah ni 8 lah. Okay, so we need the angle at B. So angle here. So we already have 7.85 and 70. Okay, so nak cari yang B. So this one opposite with 5. So we have gambaran kat sini which is cross. Okay, so we have cross, therefore we use sine rule. So use sine rule in order to find the angle ABC. Okay, so masukkan dalam formula sine rule. So we have 5 divide by sine angle ABC. So letak je lah B. It is equal to 7.85 divided by sine 70. Okay, so find the angle at B. So 5 sine 70 is equal to 7.5 times by sine B. Okay, so this one bring to the left. So we have sine B which is equal to 5 sine 70 divided by 7.85. Okay, so which is equal to 0.5985. And then B, it is equal to inverse of sine 0.5985. Okay, so it is equal to 36.76 degree. Okay, so now we already have the angle at B which is 36.78. Okay, so 36.78 degree. So now we can find the area. So area of triangle ABD, it is equal to 1 over 2. Okay, so side 1, side 2, and then sine one angle which is not opposite to side 1 and side 2. So 1 over 2 times by 7.85 times by 14 times by sine. Tak muat dah pula. Okay, so it is equal to 1 over 2 times by 7.85 times by 14 times by sine 36.78. So it is equal to 32.9 centimeter square. Okay, so dah siap. Okay, so next ada lagi tak? Okay, so that's all. So that's all for our exercise today. See you later. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.